We got something special. It's a special box. Not every box has
What's in there?
that.
Okay.
You see,
I am leader.
I am leader. Rarely do I get this excited about something like a book. It's pretty amazing, right? I mean, already.
Is it a book for a giant?
Already, you gotta admit that you're impressed. And we haven't even opened it yet. All right, let's dig into this thing, Chris. That was so special. That had bubble wrap around it, honestly. Ever. Have you ever bought a book that was shipped fragile with bubble wrap? But, I mean, look, I would be thinking I was getting some kind of like porcelain doll wrapped like this, right? I mean, cool box, right? There's a lot of thought into this. I mean, for everything, marketing, you have a box that has the name on it, has fragile, it's in bubble wrap. This is not just a normal book.
Do you think, okay, wait, so you're saying that maybe the fragile and all that, like all the stuff is just kind of like added on just for looks?
No, I think that just separates this. It says this is something special that you're going to get. Just like I just said, I've never got a book that was wrapped in bubble wrap and had fragile on the side of it.
Yeah, I've never even read a book, to be honest with you.
Right? Yeah.
Pull it up, let me see.
Look at this, dude.
Oh my God.
I mean, come on, dude.
What?
Get out of here, dude. Get out of here. Look at that.
What is this?
That is, right? You know, it's the first time I've ever seen you impressed about anything.
I'm so confused.
I've never.
What I am.
Well, your impressed look looks like your confused look. Evidently.
This has paint in it.
Here, do me a favor. I want you to come over here and feel this, how heavy this is.
Oh, what? What?
Right. You know the crazy thing is that this right here.
Yeah.
I mean, I assume that I'm just going to display this in my library like this.
Sure.
But I mean, I don't want to throw that away. I mean, would you throw that away?
Yeah.
I would think that if I was buying like some high-end pair of sneakers.
That's what I was about to say. It looks kind of like a sneaker box, like what you would have.
I mean, look, maybe I could put like.
I mean, it is cool. It's just kind of like if you don't know what it is. It's
maybe you could put photos in here.
Sure.
X photos.
Okay, let's not.
Not triple X. Just see. Would you assume that, dude?
I guess. So this is another box. Right?
Right.
This is another box.
I'm assuming this is going to be the bookmark.
Okay.
For it.
Your books usually come with bookmarks? Or?
Yeah, no, it's not. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Look at this.
Okay.
For your office.
That's different, yeah.
Yeah. It's like a do not disturb sign at the hotel.
Okay.
You know, you slip it through the little thing. All right.
I'm concerned about what this book's about. What is this book about?
All right, well, what do you think this is about? We already have one clue on the box. What does it say in the box?
X.
No.
Leader. I'm a leader.
I am leader. Okay.
I am leader.
So, what do you think? It's about leadership?
Probably, I'm guessing. Like leader, like what though? Like.
All right.
Here we go.
All right, let's see here.
Activate your book.
There's
Activate your book.
There's a QR code on this.
Well, I'm not scanning it, dude.
And look at this. This is cool. What do you think this is right here?
Maybe that's the bookmark.
No. I don't. Could be.
Yeah.
Could be. What's that say?
I am a leader. Okay, here we go. Oh, great. Is it another box? I swear to God. It's another box.
Oh. It's almost like a coffin.
Oh, it's two books.
It's 2 books. It's 2 books.
Oh.
So it's just almost like it's a front door. It's a door.
It's a door.
It's a door to your door to leadership.
Now, this box I would use. This box is sick. I would use that for something.
I mean, it's badass, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's a
that's cool.
Yeah. Yes. All right.
Would it be wrong to be just like, where's the audiobook version? Or is this like an experience?
Yeah. I mean, you don't get this on your on Audible.
You don't get you
don't get this on Audible.
Is this like a special thing?
I think the art of reading books is going to be something of the past at some point. Unfortunately, don't you think?
Okay, so this was given to you.
This is one of my good friends, Chris Collins. Amazing guy.
Uh huh.
And he sent me this book.
Okay. Did he make it?
Yeah, of course he did.
He wrote it.
He wrote
So
this
he
book.
wrote this book.
Very successful entrepreneur guy.
He wrote this.
So you see those two books right here, right? Tell me what you think about that. What do you think those are?
I think that one has to do with the journey, and one has to do with after you've, like, you know, gone through the journey. Like, you have to figure out how to become a leader, and once you're a leader, this is what you do.
So I haven't read the book.
Okay.
I'm completely speculating here. But I am right here. I think this book right here probably tells you about who you are.
Okay. Okay.
Right? This is a journey of yourself.
Mm-hmm.
I think, let's look at this book.
There's a crease in there. Like, there's something in there. Do you see that?
I see it.
Yeah. What's that all about? Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, it's a picture book. Oh, I love picture books.
I'm not going to open this. I don't know what it is.
Oh.
I'm assuming that this is purposely on this page for a reason.
Okay.
Purposely on this page for a reason. That we need to get through the book and get to this page to see what that card's about.
This is fascinating.
This is like watching a TV series on Netflix and skipping to show 10 before you watch show number 1.
Yeah, I need to see some of these pages. That is crazy looking. Wow.
It's cool.
That's cool.
So I'm assuming that this book right here is figuring out who you are.
Okay.
Okay. And I'm assuming that this book right here is turning this person into this leader.
Yeah. That's what I'm thinking too. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Well, it doesn't seem like it would be hard to read.
I think these are one of those books that you want to sit alone where it's quiet and you can focus.
Mm-hmm.
And there may not be a lot of words on the page,
Mm-hmm.
but the quality is better than the quantity.
Yeah.
And you'd want to read this page and really think about what you're reading.
Instead, it's less filler and more, like
Right.
sometimes writers have to just fill out pages.
It's all meat.
Mm-hmm.
So there's no bread
No fluff.
or lettuce or tomatoes or
Okay.
mayonnaise in this sandwich. This is just
I'm
all meat.
all meat.
Mm-hmm.
Some cheese too.
Very little cheese.
Okay.
Mostly meat.
You lactose intolerant? Is that what you...
Mm-hmm. This is books for someone who's lactose intolerant when it comes to one last thing.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Confidential. I'm guessing you can't open that. We don't want to open that.
I can open it, but I'm not going to show you what it is.
Oh. That's for the OnlyFans.
It's for OnlyFans. I don't know. My assessment of this book, it's pretty freaking amazing. For one, everything start to finish. I haven't even read this book, and it's probably the best. It's probably the best book I ever owned.
I can see why you wanted to do an unboxing for this book. When you told me that, you were going to do an unboxing.
Right. We don't do a lot of unboxings ever
Yeah.
here. We don't do a lot of product reviews ever. But I knew this was a special thing. The question is, do we display it like this, Chris?
I don't know. I kind of like that.
Or do I display it in this?
Yeah, I kind of like it.
The only thing about displaying like this is, if you're at my house and I have this out on my coffee table,
Yeah.
it's easy for me to pop this open and show you.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little harder for me to take it out of the book coffin.
Yeah.
And
I think you can use the book coffin for something else, though.
I do. I can use this for something else. Use this for something else.
You put your marijuana in there.
Marijuana's legal in Texas, Chris.
Okay.
You can put your marijuana in there.
No.
Uh-huh.
No.
I don't know. Amazing book. I can't wait to read it. I would let you read this if it wasn't so nice. But unfortunately, you're going to buy your own if you want to read this.
Yeah.
I think anybody who wants...
It's not leader material.
Anybody who wants to purchase this book, we'll tag Chris on the story and on the Instagram and TikTok. But I'm sure if you just Google "I am leader," Chris Collins, you can probably buy this somewhere.
Nice.
Nice.
Shout out Chris Collins.
Shout out Chris Collins. Highly recommend.